So companion planting, not just for your veg patch. Companion plants can play a lot of different roles in your garden, but the purpose they are most known for, I can hear you saying it with me, pest control and attracting pollinators. This is what they're most known for. There are lots and lots of different roles that they do play, but pest control and attracting pollinators is what they're known for. So the roles are very important. So we're going to talk about those now. So pest damage is one of the top reasons your plants will die off in your garden. Even this can even affect the flowers and the produce from your veg patch as well. They are unhealthy and they will need a lot more care from you. They will need a lot more feeding and nutrients, and they'll eventually rinse the soil of any goodness as well. They're going to be so hungry and struggle so much with their resilience. They will struggle. So they're going to try and get as much out the soil as they possibly can. And then you're going to need to step in and take care of them. It's not good. So if there's a way of managing pest and disease damage on autopilot, which is kind of what happens, with minimal cost, except for the first off investment of actually getting plants and planting or sowing the seeds and going from there, because after that they self-seed themselves quite happily. With minimal cost, then that sounds great. Additional bonuses of them actually adding extra things like the herbs will protect and cause camouflage, create camouflage for the plants in your garden as well, protecting them from pests and disease. Carrot fly, for instance, we were talking the other day in the membership about carrot fly. Planting coriander with your carrots, that will hide if your carrots get damaged for any reason. That will attract in the carrot fly. If you have experience in this, you'll know how devastating it can be, emotionally and physically as well. When you see your carrots is devastated by carrot fly, not so good. But if you plant coriander or even parsley with them, stronger herbs, I think, along those lines, but coriander works really well. It hides the scent of the damaged carrots. Carrot fly can't find them. They don't land. They don't then lay their eggs, etc. So on and so on. So the companion plants can offer other alternatives as well as pest control and attracting pollinators. So that is the added bonus.